What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Thousand Oaks. Apparently my Dodge had to go to the shop. It's right around the corner. So we're doing a mid-week trip. And I think Nike just opened 15 minutes ago. So yeah, let's go see what's up. I've been visiting this location for what, 2-3 years? I had no clue the dealership I bought my car from right around the corner. Right around the corner. All right, let's go. This is my first Nike outlet trip in, it's been a minute, man. It's been a minute because they haven't really had any sales. All right, let's go. Still got this heat wall, supposed heat wall. They got some stuff. They got some stuff, some Dunks, Jordans. Not too bad, not too bad. We'll come back. Oh, and they actually have 30% off. This is like one of the only spots with 30% off. Damn, man, they just brought that full, a bunch of Jordan 6 with the Jordan 6, the chrome ones. Brought them, man, they be helping fools out way too much here. All right, dude, got 30% off. Apparently they might have Jordan 6, the chrome ones. Starting off in the smaller sizes, Air Force Ones. And this is a pretty dope one. It's the anniversary edition. We're up to New York, because that's kind of where Air Force Ones pretty much came from. All right. Well, they got popular there. But yeah, $130. Remember, you do get 30% off everything here. Only spot, I swear, one of the only spots with discount right now. What is this? GTS 97, size 8 go for 78.5. Air more tempo is 165. Size 9. 37s right here. Jordan 37s. Vaporfly Next Percent's 160. Size 8.5. Blazer size 9. Going for 80. Remember, you do get full box here, which is pretty dope. Size 10. Some more of these Jordan 37s. 10.5 as well. More of these Air Force Ones. Okay, I guess it's, oh, this is just the all white one, but it has better leather on it. It has nicer leather. It is 150 down to 120 though, and you get that discount. And it's just better leather, dude. That one is so much nicer, especially with 30% off. That's ridiculous. That's awesome. Size 11 Zoomfly 4s. Go for $80. Someone just grabbed the Air Force Ones right there. Air Max 97, size 11.5, $120. 154 for the 37s right here. 37 lows, it looks like. Well, 36 lows, my bad. Air Force One mids, 150, 11.5. $100 for this 11.5. We've seen this one. It's a suede quick strike version. The Kyrie Infinities, size 12. I think this is the one that Bosco got for like $70. It is $120, 30% off. Probably like, and that's probably a little over $80 here. Another Air Force One right here. Go for $110. This is a size 12. More GTS size 13. Go for 70. Infinity. Invincible Run Flynet. Go for $120. That's 12.5. Huge sizes, not much. Vomero 16. Go for 55. Oh, that's hella cheap. Holy crap. And then size 17. $90 for these bad boys. That's it, man. Shout out to the homie Louie who supports the channel. Definitely appreciate it. I'm pointing, isn't that rude or something? I don't know. All right, we're back to this area right here. Louie pointed this out right here. What the hell? I was like, these Jordan 1s ain't out yet. They're not out yet, right? But it's a golf. It's a golf. So I guess the golf ones are out. Look at that, dude. $180. But yeah, how's the leather? Oh, damn, this is not as nice as the regular Jordan 1 high. What the hell? But it does get that golf treatment. I was like, these ain't even out. What the hell? But I guess the golf one's out. I don't really pay attention to the golf releases. But yeah, these are cool. Like, you know, if you want to stunt and, you know, make everybody think you got the black and white ones that are out until later this year. That's a size 12. Okay. Got these right here. Been seeing these here and there, right? Size 9. Don't get a discount on any of these, but you know, it's cool to be able to have a nice little selection. 10.5 Lakers lows, some 7s, some Dunks with way too many swishes on them. It's a grade score, right? No, it's a women's 7. Got these Mars. You would expect a bunch of these to get returned because they don't really have resale. So people return them, you know. So, you know, when they have discounts, you know, able to get discounts on them. They are starting to give out the heat walls, or they are starting to put out the heat walls. So we don't really get discounts, but still dope to be able to get them. I'm going to try to get stuff at discount though. Grade school version of these. They didn't really make grade school, but oh, they did make grade school. Oh, okay. I just thought they made really small sizes, which they do. This is a 4.5. Leather on these are phenomenal, dude. Leather's phenomenal. I know people get all crazy. Oh, he's creasy. Oh man, calm down, dude. Calm down, dude. Yeah, but yeah, these are nice. These are nice. Like that leather right there. Like even if they do crease, they look all right because they use really good leather on them. This is full retail though. Got some dunks right here. This is a bigger size 11. Oh, size 10. Yeah, those look way bigger. But these dunks, like these are like a Christmas dunk or something. This part is like it's like a fabric material. What is that? Oh, it's not denim. Is it canvas? I don't know. But retail 120. Damn, $120 for regular dunks. Holy crap! All right, this is George Green or something. Gorge Green. I don't know. Whatever. Got one of these. Got the blues right there. True blues. Is that what they're calling those? I don't know. Some 7s. More 7s. That's about it. 30% off clearance apparel. Got a dent. Is this a canvas jacket? Kind of interesting. $145 for that. Super thick. It is a small. It is lined and stuff too. Pretty nice stuff. Got jackets. Soon we're gonna see a bunch of jackets on sale because I do live in Southern California. It's a pretty nice little hoodie. Going for $60, normally $80. Remember, you do get a $30 on top of all these prices. The Jordan hoodie right here. This is double XL, though, $35. Oh, this one's nice. Do I have this one? $50 for this. Oh, it's an XL. No, I don't. I had the gray one, but I don't know where it is now. And then, ooh, the cloth jacket. I think we saw this a while back. Cloth jacket, $250. Normally $350, and it is $30 off on top. Top of all that, another Jordan hoodie. These are all double huge though. Double huge. I said double XL. $35. And then you get another 30% off. Man, that's like cheap as hell. Celtics. If you're a Celtics fan, $70. Lakers did get robbed against the Celtics a couple days ago. If y'all saw that, that was highway robbery. Not that I'm bitter about it. I'm just saying. It sucked. LeBron got hacked like a mug. Didn't call it, but it's all good. You know, just what it is. This is really nice. What the hell is this? Oh, okay. Nike Pro pants are kind of like tights. $55 for those. Normally like $90. They always got golf stuff. If you need golf stuff, this is definitely the place to go. Golf stuff always on sale. Not always, but I always see golf. I was able to find golf stuff on sale. $60 normally $85, and then you get another $30 off on top of that. So that's a really good deal. Hoping to find some team apparel. That's kind of what I hope to find, like especially for really cheap. Do got a dry fit Raiders polo. Normally $65 down to $50. Remember, you do get an extra 30% off because this is all clearance items. So, like, such a fan of this. That's pretty cool. Jordan shirt, $23. $30 off on top. Is that like a $15 Jordan jacket? Jordan t-shirt, not bad. University blue. Nike Yoga, but it is a ThermaFit, super soft inside. So it's not just a regular long sleeve shirt. It's not that thick though. But $21. Dodgers merch, 2022 preseason. $30 is a larges right there. There's a couple of them. So they got some decent pieces. Dry fit t-shirt. Normally $80 down to $37. Remember, you did get 20 on top. Or 30% on top, my bad. What is this? This comes with air bubble protection. Damn, $150 for this backpack. Holy shit, not even a... Holy crap, it's not even a full-size backpack. It's like a smaller backpack. Holy crap. $150 down to $130. No additional discounts on it. Dude got some football gloves. What size are these? These are really cheap. I'll get them. I doubt they're really cheap though. I doubt they're cheap. I don't know. Let's see. Damn, $45. 55 down to 45. They're an extra 30% off, maybe, but no. Damn, they do got a Jordan wall. They got some nice pieces here. Holy crap. Hold up, dog. Okay, so they do have the Jordan 6s. These are the ones that dude grabbed 3 of. So you don't get a 30% off. Do not get 30% off for this one. This is dope, though. It's dope. I have the DMP, so that's why I didn't grab these. And I think I mentioned in one of my prior, I just spent way too much during Christmas. And also, bought some furniture for the house on top of all the Christmas stuff. So I had to spend quite a few grand. So yeah, that's why I'm laying low right now. I usually see me buy all kinds of stuff, but I'm laying low, dude. And I see people complaining, and I'm like, really? Who gives a F what I buy, dude? Y'all worried about what I buy for, dude? $140 for those. This is the OG, dude. Jordan 1 Low OG. Those of you guys haven't had any of the Jordan 1 Low OGs, like the leather's just 10 times nicer. Like, oh my God, you could even see it right there. Oh, that is so nice. So nice. And got these as well. These are on sale here, okay. Just like Shoe Palace, they've been on sale here. See them right there. They used to have another 30% off. That's slowed down, okay. Wait, why am I showing you guys these? I don't know, access for pretty cheap, I guess. But yeah, I do got these, only 8.5 and 9.5 though. 8 to size 9.5. They got some soldiers. Another one of those. And they got these, man, they got some generics out here, yo. What's up with that? Nobody want no generics? Whoa, look at this. What? That's a really good price, holy cow. Look at this, almost free. Holy crap. What is that, what, $14? Holy crap. I got size 10 through 14. Air Force One high right here. Got some Air Max 95s right here. There's my man working out right there. Okay, throwing a ball. Is that a medicine ball at a wall? Air Max 2090s. This is cheaper than at Ross, man. I went to Ross to check some out. Dude got Monarchs, go for too much. Phantom React Flyknits, no laces. I guess it's 37. Another one of those. Yeah, and this is like the performance area. Not really seen performance stuff, man. Mostly budget stuff. Could be performance, but budget stuff. All right, I think that's pretty much about it. I kind of got to get going. Probably a shorter vlog. This is the entire store right here. Definitely worth visiting, man. One of the only spots with discounts right now. So, all right, let's go. All right, guys, that's one of the only spots right now with discounts. One of the only Nikes. I want to say Nike outlet, but it's technically not Nike outlet. Yeah, that's pretty much the only Nike outlet right now with discounts. I've called several places. Not that many places have discounts, and if they do, they're only like 20% or something like that this week or something. So, it seems like they're just not getting that much. But yeah, definitely worth the stop, dude. Definitely worth the stop. Kind of in a hurry today, so it's kind of a shorter vlog. My truck, it's currently at a shop. The Dodge, also at a shop. So I need to go pick up the truck because yeah, I need a car, man. This is some BS. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Sorry, it's kind of a shorter vlog, but we did see that there's sales. We did see the heat wall. We did see the clearance section. That's pretty much what I wanted. So pretty fire. Hopefully I can get this video out to you guys as soon as possible so you guys can come up. But yeah, pretty dope situation here. Better than most other spots. So that's pretty much about it. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. Wish I had time to throw up a short and stuff like that, but sorry, man. I'm in a hurry. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next one. Peace.